Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Design with CSWA. Continuing with CSWA Practice Problems, today we'll work on question 6.16. Let's take a look at this question. So in this question, we're dealing with the simple geometry. We have the 3D model and the front view. As you can see, this geometry is kind of symmetric around the axis, which is kind of an indication that we can use revolve bus command to make this geometry. So the way I'm going to model this part is to focus on the front view. I'm going to make a 2D sketch of half of this front view, and then I use revolve bus command to make the final geometry. So with this introduction, let's jump into SolidWorks and start modeling this part. In SolidWorks, first we need to check unit of measurement, and you can see that we have millimeter gram second, which is a correct unit of measurement. Now click on a sketch, and choose front plane. Because we want to use revolve bus command, I choose center line, and I'm going to make a center line here as a symmetry line. Now let's make a rough 2D sketch. Click on arc command and let's make an arc shape like this. Then click on line command and let's continue to this location, going to left, going up, and then close the contour. Now let's add some dimensions. The diameter of this circle is 16 mm, which means that the radius should be 8 mm. Distance from center point of the circle to bottom line should be 32 mm. The total height of this geometry is 37 mm. The angle between this line and vertical line should be 6 degrees. And finally, the diameter of the bottom section is 13 mm. So that means that this part, which is radius of the circle, should be 13 divided by 2, which is 6.5 mm. So now you can see that we have a fully defined geometry. Now all we need to do is to use revolve bus command. Click on feature, click on revolve bus, and now you can see the preview. Click on OK, and that's the final geometry. So now it's time to check the volume and make sure that this model is correct. Let's go back to the question and check the volume. In the question, you can see the total volume here. The total volume is 4,080 cubic millimeters. Let's go back to SolidWorks and check the volume for our model. In SolidWorks, in order to check the volume, you can click on Evaluate and Mass Properties. And here you can see the total volume. The total volume for this model is 4,080 cubic millimeters. This is exactly the same as the number that we found in the question, which is showing our model is correct and there's no problem with it. Okay, awesome. That's it. That's a wrap for this video. It was a quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comment, please leave comments down below. Thanks again for watching. My name is CSWA. Hope to see you again soon in the next videos.